When it comes to advanced yet affordable diagnostic tools, XTOOL Anyscan A30M stands out as a powerhouse packed into a compact, user-friendly package. Designed for both car enthusiasts and professional mechanics, this wireless bidirectional scan tool delivers dealer-level diagnostics, a wide array of special functions, and a seamless app-driven experience, all with no subscription fees for life. Supporting over 85 car brands from the US, Europe, and Asia, including 2020-plus GM models with KNFD protocol and FCA Auto Auth for Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Fiat, this tool ensures compatibility with the latest vehicles and technologies. Whether you're a home user or a shop owner, this flexibility makes the A30M a future-proof investment. If you're looking for an all-in-one diagnostic tool that combines dealer-level functions, wireless convenience, and lifetime value, the XTOOL A30M is a no-brainer. With 23-plus resets, 4,000-plus active tests, full system diagnostics, live data, and FCA plus CAN-FD support, this tool punches well above its weight. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a weekend tinkerer, or a seasoned pro, the A30M gives you power, precision, and portability at an unbeatable price point.